Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to start a new series, Introduction to Python Programming. We'll see in this video what is Python, the key features of Python, and why you should learn it. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. The key features of Python are large standard libraries. It is interpreted many interpretation language use interpreter. Object-oriented, so you have class and objects. You have expressive language, so it's versatile. And it's a high-level language. They use GUI programming, so graphical user interface. We have open source. Among them, we have TensorFlow and many more. And it is simple language. It's as if it is English. Application Python are automation and scripting. We have healthcare. It's also using networking, game development. It's used to develop desktop GUI applications using Django application or Django framework. Scientific computing. We have data analysis or data science, where you can use libraries like Matplot, NumPy, and so on. We have web development with Flat, WX, and many more. This is the Python developer salaries by the industry. You can see in banking and financial service is $92K. In energy, it's 85,333. In healthcare, it's 73K. In a government job, it's 70K a year. In education, it's 65K a year. The editors used by the developers to write in Python are, you have PyChar, VS Code, Sublime Text, VMS, and many more. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.